Hi guys, my name is Shekira, just like the singer, but it is spelled slightly different. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I love this name so much. It's probably because people always spell my name the same way as the singer, and then they probably always go ahead and sing the song. And so now it's just a part of who I am. Like the singer, me and the singer, we are one. Okay, let me stop. So, I was just up at 4:30, just like anybody else, and I was bored as hell, nothing to do. And then I saw that Jenna Marbles posted a get ready with me video, and I was like, let me get ready with her. She said, get ready with me. Why are we not listening? Why are we not listening? Get ready with her, okay? Get ready. Let's go. So I'm about to go ahead and do my makeup. And if she stumbles upon this video, she'll see that I ask her questions that she might answer. So if you want to go ahead and see this full process of me getting ready with Jenna Marbles, then keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Without further ado, let's make it do what it do. For this video, she had a very particular look. She had, purple eyebrows. She had a light yellow eyeshadow. If I keep looking this way, it's because I'm using my phone, and my phone camera is this way, but I can see myself right here. So I'm looking this way instead of looking this way, which I'm supposed to look this way. But it's okay. But yeah, so Jenna Marbles did purple eyebrows, and she did a yellow eyeshadow. But I don't think I have yellow eyeshadow, and my eyebrows are already filled in. So we're just going to do a completely different look. The way I do my makeup may be slightly different from the way other people do their makeup, because I just started doing makeup, guys. I haven't really been heavily into makeup until very, very, very recently. So I don't have all the different products I need. I don't have all the different brushes. Damn, I don't have any brushes, to be honest. So we're going to just make it do what I do. First thing I'm going to start off with is my primer to prime this face. So let's do that. So I have this primer. I got all of my makeup stuff from like Walmart, CVS. Like, I'm not a makeup person at all, but it's okay. So I got my SPF 30, just because I'm black, I still need my SPF 30. So I'm about to go ahead and prime my face with this. I'm not even sure this is the right primer for my face. But it's been working, so why not? So the very first question I have for Jenna Marbles is, if you just want another dog, let me start there. When do you want their birthday to be in? Because I feel like you just hating on Aries just a little bit. You hating on Aries just a little bit, Jenna. You hating on I'm mad I'm calling her Jenna like I know her, but like, okay, she's been on YouTube for how long? At this point, like, she's my older sister that I never met. So you're hating on Aries just a little bit, Jenna. You're hating on Aries just a little bit. If I'm looking this way, my mirror is this way. And if I'm looking this way, it's because I'm using my phone, like I said. But yeah, you're hating on Aries. Like, I don't get it. My birthday was yesterday. I was born April 1st. No, it's not a joke. No, I'm not like fooling you guys, but yes, I am a fool. And so I'm an Aries all day, every day. And I think we're great. I think we are magical human beings who is so loving and, so like, just so great. And can we be hyper sometimes? Of course. Can we just say whatever's on our mind? Duh. Can we just like, act a fool? Yes, right? Like, don't get me wrong. These things happen. But what sign doesn't do all that? Like, I know there's days that you probably be acting up too. And do we act up a little bit more than every other sign? Maybe. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. That's nobody else's business, okay? That's nobody else's business. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love how you guys blend so well. My boyfriend is a Capricorn and I'm an Aries, and we work very well too. I don't know what your sign is, Jenna. I probably should though, but like, don't crucify me. I'm sorry. I always hear Aries stuff though on your channel and not your actual sign, because you know, Julian you know what? This is Get Ready with Jenna Marbles, but Julian was in the background, so I'm gonna ask you questions too, Julian. Julian, why you be acting up? Why you be acting up, Julian? Why you making us have a bad rap? What's going on? So now I can ask you the more important things, Jenna, such as, am I able to come to your basketball game that you have tomorrow? Can I come? Is it just like certain people that can come? Can everybody come? What's happening? Where's the invitation at? I didn't get my invitation, so you know, I'm just wondering, can I just boop boop pop up, show up? Am I going to get kicked out? What's going on? Like, I need to come to your game. I need to see you shoot a fire shots. And, you know, as a fan, like, as a supporter, can you at least dunk once? Like, can you dunk? I just need to know these things. These are important questions. So I'm going to go ahead and put purple eyeshadow on. It's my everyday look. When I wear makeup, I just wear purple because, to be honest, I don't have many palettes. Like, as you can see, this is Revlon again. Repping Revlon, sponsor me. And it's just a really blank, boring palette because I'm a blank, boring person. But it's okay. It is okay. So this is how it looks so far. I know it looks dramatic. At least it's dramatic to me. And it may look super dramatic when I'm looking down. Wow, I look drunk. It may look super dramatic when I'm looking down like this, but like I said, because my eyelids are hooded, when I'm looking straight, you can't even see most of it. You can only see pretty much like that little part. So that's the reason why I did it like that. So yeah, now that we got the purple on, let's move on to the black. And Jenna Marbles said in her video that she doesn't know how to blend, so she's gonna have harsh lines. You know what, Jenna Marbles? I don't know how to blend either, so my lines will be harsh right along with you. It is a-okay. Let me go ahead and do the black part of this eye look. Go ahead and blend this as the best as I could. And you probably really can't see a difference, but I just added some black to the end pieces, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add some light pink to the inner pieces, and then I'm going to use some tan color for the corner of my eye to brighten up my eyes. Isn't that a thing? Isn't that what people say? Isn't that what we do? So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully it looks like it's fading from a light purple to a dark purple, because that was the goal. But if it doesn't look like that, it's okay. We can, you know, work on it. And as Bob Ross says, there is no, what does he say? There's no mistakes, just happy accidents. Something like that. You know what I'm trying to say. Whatever Bob Ross says, that's what's happening right now. So now that the eyeshadow is done, it's time to move on to the eyeliner. And another question for Jenna Marbles actually isn't a question, but it's more of a hope. If you could, whenever you have free time, do you think you can go ahead and set up this huge domino type thing inside of your house somewhere? Now, it's going to have to be a time most likely where the dogs isn't either in the house, or they're sleeping, or, you know, they're just not around, because they're probably going to knock down the dominoes. But that would be really cool to see you do. You can add your own little Jenna Marbles twist to it if you want, because I already know Julian is going to make it very difficult, or he's going to make it very easy. I'm an Aries, and I have my moments where, you know, I'm too much. And then I also have my moments where it's like, no, I really need to focus and get this right. So now for the eyeliner, and just like Jenna, I also have the magnetic eyelashes. I tried them one time, it did not work, but that's because I didn't read the label like a dummy and didn't realize that you need to put 2 coats on. So I'm going to try it again, and hopefully it works. So I now have 1 coat of eyeliner on, and let me tell you, that was a struggle. But now I'm about to go ahead and put on the 2nd coat. But to be a little bit more specific, Jenna and Julian, because I feel like the domino thing just wasn't specific enough. Maybe you guys can compete and both spell out your name. So you can just do Jenna for Jenna Marbles, and then Julian, you can just do Julian. You have an extra letter, Julian, but I believe in you. You're an Aries. Represent us well, Julian. Okay? Represent us well. I want you to win. I'm sorry, Jenna Marbles. I'm so sorry, but I'm an Aries and I want Julian to win. Focus. Hone in on your focusing ability, Julian, and get it done and do it right. Okay, maybe you guys can look up domino YouTube videos, because I watch those all the time, especially at like 4:30 in the morning, and they're amazing, and people will do like little designs with the dominoes. Maybe we can even do that. That would be cool. That would be sick. So, you know, that's just some ideas, just throwing out some ideas for you guys. Do whatever your heart desire, but I'm telling you I'm telling you, that's a cool idea, especially after watching what's that movie, Robot? What is that movie called? I think it's called like Robots or something like that, and it's a cartoon movie. If you haven't seen it, please watch it. That movie is legendary. That was one of my favorite movies as a kid. And yeah, the main thing that the guy used to build was from out of dominoes, and it was so cool. So go ahead and watch it. And that's my idea for you guys. Let me go ahead and put on my second layer of this eyeliner. Okay, so you guys can probably barely see it, but 2 layers of eyeliner is on. So now let me try to put on these eyelashes. Let's hope that, ooh, I just got some eyeliner on my hand. Let's hope that this works. So if you hear noise in the background, I'm so sorry. But I have one more question for Jenna Marbles, because we are wrapping up this look soon. And that question is, that's my drum roll. That's the drum roll sound. I guess it's a question for you and Julian. What competitive esport would you guys go ahead and do? Because I know you guys play games now. You're now a gamer. Welcome, welcome. You know, I'm a gamer, but I haven't posted any gaming videos just yet. I only posted fashion, hair, and makeup videos because I gotta get that whole I gotta go ahead and get that whole setup first. But welcome to the club of gaming. Welcome. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are having fun. So the last thing I have to do is put on my lip gloss, or one of the last things I have to do is put on my lip gloss, because I'm basic right now. I just have on my my chapstick, so now I'm about to put on my lip gloss. Shiny. Yay. So the last thing, the very last thing, I was gonna put a mascara, but these lashes enough. These lashes are enough. The very last thing I'm gonna have to do is put on my Born to Glow illuminating powder. I know, Jenna, you contour and all that good stuff, but I'm basic. I don't know how to do any of that. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, my trusty old beauty blender that I use for everything. I'm gonna dip that sucker right up in that powder and start highlighting my face. Look at this. Ooh, ooh. I knew you would die for this shine. I know you would, because I would. Look at this. Ooh, look at that little bit that I put on and all that. I'm telling you, people be sleeping on drugstore makeup, like sleeping. This is amazing. This is amazing, guys. Ooh, we cute, we shiny, we fancy. Watch out. And that is, ooh, I know you see that glow. I put some on my nose, on my cheek. I don't know what words can describe it, but you know what I'm talking about. It's just, I blessed you with something. Actually, it looks so good on my face and my cheeks. I want to put it on my forehead because my forehead looks so dim now. So almost spilled this everywhere. That would have been terrible. Let me go ahead and actually put some little bit on my forehead real quick. Bling it up a little bit. Why not? I'm blessed to the gods. Okay, So now that our makeup is done, because your makeup should be done too. You should have been getting ready. You should have been getting ready. I told you to get ready in the beginning. Let me go ahead and take you guys somewhere with the lighting is a little bit more better. I guess natural lighting. Is that what Jenna said in the video? Yes, natural lighting. So I'm going to take you guys outside so you can see this beauty that I have done. Now my makeup itself, honestly, it's okay, but the highlighter, set it off. Get yourself a highlighter if you don't have it. Oh wait, oh my gosh, I said I was done. Excuse me, didn't Jenna put a little beauty mark on her face? Is that how she did it? I think hers was a little bit higher up, but it's there. Even though I have a lot of moles on my face, it's there. I'm not gonna do it in my lip because Jenna, we both knew that was a bad idea. Okay, we both knew. So this is how it looks. It looks so good. But yeah, all these birds are twerking. They could be twerking. Who knows? All these birds are chirping. So let me hit back on inside. But this is the final product. It looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you check out other videos on my channel. They're hair related, fashion related. I think you guys will enjoy it. So check it out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.